These are the Animal World North American mini animals. And just look at how cool these are. So these are a gift for my granddaughter. She's 3. And these are recommended for ages 3 and up. These are the mini ones. And I also have the regular size ones too. So, but these here, I mean, look at the impeccable detail. Gray wolf. I gave her 2 other sets for her birthday. And she absolutely loves them. She sits there, makes the animals talk to each other. I mean, it is a lot of fun. So I was so happy to be able to get 2 more sets for her. These are Christmas. Very excited. But this set has 16. They're 1.5 to 2 inches. And they are made with a PVC material. So they're kind of like a hard plastic, but they feel awesome. So they're not like a resin. I don't know how to describe them, but they're awesome. Look at this little beaver. Oh, so cute. So if you're looking for a fun gift, ages 3 plus, someone who loves animals or role playing. Another thing I saw was cake toppers. So if you're making like a North American, a woodland cake, USA Eagles cake, beavers. So cute. Highly recommend.